Now on voter fraud, we have just got reports coming in of an arrest in Florida in connection with voter fraud. Eric Shawn, live from New York City. And Eric, it is not very often we see arrests on this kind of thing. What's happening?
Yeah, Megan, 2 voter fraud arrests in Florida this morning, and it has to do with absentee ballots. You know, here at Fox News, at the Voter Unit, we've been investigating absentee ballot voter fraud allegations across the country. And just this morning, a public official now in handcuffs. He is Daytona Beach City Commissioner Derrick Henry. He and his campaign manager now face dozens of felony charges involving alleged absentee ballot fraud from his re-election campaign just 2 months ago. Authorities in Florida say that they illegally got 92 absentee ballots to try and boost Henry's re-election chances. But some voters said they never requested absentee ballots that were in their names. They didn't even know that absentee ballots were allegedly voted in their names. You know, that's a common complaint that we've been hearing across the country, and it echoes a new potentially explosive case that is now happening in Pennsylvania. That's where authorities in Bucks County tell us more than 500 absentee ballot applications there are allegedly fraudulent. Republicans call it an illegal scheme by Democrats. The voters in sworn statements say that someone made up excuses why they needed absentee ballots and that their handwriting allegedly was forged, and they never asked for absentee ballots in their names. Voters also said they received a letter soliciting absentee ballot applications. That letter from something called the Pennsylvania Voters Assistance Office. The only problem, though, there is no such thing. The letter said it was actually paid for by the Pennsylvania Democratic Committee. The committee says, quote, absentee applications have been rejected for routine reasons. The system is working, they say. There's no evidence of any irregularity or problem, they claim. A hearing on this case in Pennsylvania will be held on Friday. The Republicans there want all absentee ballots in Bucks County impounded to prevent possible voter fraud. Meanwhile, in Dothan, Alabama, suspicious absentee ballot applications there are being investigated. The county clerk found various applications, some with the same handwriting. And it turns out just yesterday, a former county commissioner there pled guilty, guess what, to felony absentee ballot fraud charges. She was given a 2-year sentence in prison, but that sentence under a plea deal has been suspended. Megan?
All right, Eric Shawn, thank you. And in the wake of all of these allegations, the American Majority Action Group says it is launching a voter fraud phone application to, quote, defend your democracy right from your phone. The group says that the tool will allow voters to report any incidents on Election Day and help officials track down the problem areas and the hotspots.